I earned 4.07 from this site, and I also earned 4.46 from this site. Here I also earned more 3.87 from this site and 5.05 from this site. So today I will explain how this site work, how I earn from here, and how to withdraw. For starting details video, please make sure hit the like button and subscribe the channel. You can earn three ways from here. One is paid service, another is cashback, and another is community. You can check available countries from here. 99% countries are available to work on this site. So here you can see here Hindi, Urdu, Arabic, Spanish, and lot of things. And most important thing, you can get around $1 for every 10 minutes for survey. So this is huge amount you can earn. Now let's check, is it real or fake. First we will create an account. I will leave the site link in description. You can check it. So from here, first your email address, then first name, last name, and click on join here. Now you will get a captcha, fill up it. After fill up the captcha, it sent a mail to your email. Let's check the email. So this is the mail I just got. Now open the mail and activate your account. After completing the verification, you will get this page. You need to fill up few things here. First we have to choose a password and then confirm password and then sex, its mail and zip code. Use your zip code. If you use VPN or proxy, USA proxy, you must use USA zip code. This is a Texas zip code I just used. First you find a USA real address from online. After that choose a number, any number, and then choose your date of birth. After that choose your country. Now agree all terms and then update and start. Here you can see no service are available. We have to unlock the service. So click on unlock. Now fill up few information about yourself. What is your state? It's Texas. How much income with your family? So I chose one and I chose full-time work here and update. So after that you will get a survey. Here lot of surveys are here. You can see first option 50 points for 5 minutes. If you fill up the survey, you will get 50 points, that means 50 cent, and then 85 cent and 79 cent. So lot of surveys are here. When you complete these 3 surveys, you can fill up the other surveys. Now main question is how to fill up survey and what is survey. So survey means it will ask you about yourself. It will ask you what you like most, what is your favorite color, what you like to eat, have you car or not, and lot of question about yourself. You just answer it and you will get paid for it. Now let's talk about another earning source. Now another is community. You cannot earn a lot from community. You just earn 1-2 cent like this. So this is not very important. Let's go to survey again. From this site, our main focus will be in survey. Do more survey and get more paid. Now let's talk about the withdrawal option. Go to withdraw and here you can see PayPal option, that is 1000 point, that means $10. You can just only withdraw to your PayPal account. If you haven't any PayPal account or you cannot manage any PayPal account, please do not work here. If you don't have PayPal account, you cannot withdraw. You can buy PayPal from online. Lot of people are selling this. If you need it, you can contact with me also. I will leave the link in description. you can contact from there. And that's all for today. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos.